Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is gonna be a gym clothing try on haul, I think I'm gonna call it. Along those lines, I'm basically gonna be showing you some gym stuff that I've recently picked up from JD, and I believe one thing was from Sports Direct, but the majority of it was from JD. I did a gym clothing haul like, oh god, it must have been like 3 years ago now on my channel, and I showed all my fitness bits, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't go to the gym back then as much as I am now. I think I went to the gym like twice and was out running and stuff, but I didn't do it as properly and go as frequently as I am now. I'm really enjoying the gym at the moment. If you follow me on Instagram, cheeky little plug, but the link is down below, you may have seen me put on like my Insta stories if I'm at the gym, or like progress pictures, or just like little exercises I've been enjoying doing at the gym. But all in all, basically what I'm trying to say is I'm really liking going to the gym at the moment, and I'm also liking seeing an improvement within my mental health as well as my physical health. So it's all good at the moment regarding the gym. Do you know what? I just thought, F it, I'm gonna treat myself. I've been going to the gym daily since January. Don't get me wrong, I think I missed like 1 week out, but I've been going like 3 or 4 times a week since January. So maybe not daily, I don't go every day. I try to go 3 or 4 times a week to the gym. And yeah, I just thought I would treat myself, so I've picked up a fair few bits. I mean, it's not loads, but yeah. Shall we just crack on? I think so. I've been rambling now for what looks like 2.5 minutes on my camera, so let's just jump right into it. So, the first thing I'm going to show you, I think I got 2 sports bras. Yeah, I did. So I'm going to show you my sports bras first. This is the only thing I got from JD. So this one is from JD. It's from the brand Everlast, and it's in a size 8. It has like a little kind of crossover elastic bits at the back, and it's just plain black. It has the Everlast logo on the, oh god, I forgot my left and right side. The left hand side of your chest, and yeah, it has Everlast round the band underneath your boobie area. And yeah, like I said, I got this in a size 8. I kind of wish I got a 10, because when I wear it, oh my god, it makes my back rolls so prominent. Because it's so tight, it like just, yeah, it just makes my back rolls like 10 times worse than they actually are. So that's not really a good thing. But I got it because I just really liked the design. And obviously a black sports bra will go with anything. But yeah, I got this from JD, and I can't remember how much it was. I have every other receipt, but I don't have this one. But I believe it was like $13.99 or something. So that's quite good for a little sports bra. So that was the first one. And now onto the second one is from Pink Soda, which I have been loving. I absolutely love Pink Soda at the moment. If someone said to me, what's your favourite like gym brand at the moment, hands down I would say Pink Soda. And the more I show you the bits I picked up, the more you'll come to realise like, oh yeah, she's got an obsession. So I got this sports bra from Pink Soda, and I believe I did get this one in a 10, or no, I got it in an 8. And this one also is a little bit tight, but I have worn it a good few times and it has stretched out a little bit. I really like this design. I love the like creamy detail with the grey. I just think these colours go super nicely together. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this sports bra, and as well as this one, they both have like padding so you can't see your nipples through them, which is quite a good idea, because if you're like starting out your workout in the gym, you're going to be a little bit cold, and you don't really want your hard nipples on show, do you? So yeah, that's always good. You can take it out, but I advise not to, unless obviously you're into that look. That's cool too. But yeah, it just has the Pink Soda Sport writing around the elastic bit here, and then has their little love heart logo on the back. And I just, yeah, I really like this design. It kind of crosses at the back, thin straps, really love it. I believe this was £10, and I think you can still get this in JD. So when I ordered that sports bra, I also saw the leggings to go with it. So as you can see, they do look very similar. They have the same writing along the elastic at the top here. Same colours, just basically it's like a 2-piece set, but you have to order it like separately, and I just couldn't say no, I had to get the both of them. And at the knees it has this design here, which it kind of feels weird. It's like flappy bits, and that sounds a little weird saying that, but it's like flappy bits at the knee in the cream design, and then underneath the flappy bits on the left knee has their little love heart, and it's like a rubbery kind of feeling. And yeah, that's the bottoms of them there. These are really comfy, and I got these in a size 8, and they fit really nicely. I've worn them a couple times to the gym just to get a feel for them, and they're super duper comfy. And I believe when I ordered these were something like 12 or 15 pounds. I don't actually have the receipt because I think I placed like 3 different orders, and I'm just doing this as like a bulk haul, so I've lost the receipt for that order, but I believe they were 12 or 15 pounds. But yeah, they're super duper comfy, and I really like wearing those leggings and the bra together, although I do wear a t-shirt on top because I'm not confident enough to go to the gym with just a sports bra and leggings yet. Although there are some girls that do that and they look amazing. However, I'm not that confident yet, but fingers crossed by the end of the year I will be confident enough to do that. Now I'm going to show you the t-shirt I bought to go with those leggings, although the t-shirt looks a little bit more pink than I thought it was going to be, because I thought it would be cream to match the cream on the leggings and the sports bra, but as you can see the t-shirt is a little bit more pinky. However, it still goes, it's really nice. I really do like this crop top. I think I got it in a size 8. Yep, I did. Anything I can link, I will leave the link to the blog post. I always do a blog post on products mentioned, so there will be a link to that blog post, and I will include everything that I can, because I think you can still get some of these pieces. Some of them are sold out, which is annoying. But yeah, so this is the t-shirt. It has like a little knot here at the front. At the back it has like a black little pink soda logo there, which is very cute, and obviously it says pink soda on the front. It's very thin material, so you can see whatever sports bra you're wearing underneath very clearly. But I do like light t-shirts like this to the gym, because if you are like me and you don't feel confident enough to wear just your sports bra, light t-shirts like this, if you know you're going to be doing like a hardcore workout, is good because it's light, it's not going to cling to you. Well, it probably will because of the sweat, but do you know what I mean? It's going to be light, it's not going to be like a thick like jumper or long sleeve or anything like that, so that is perfect for that. And like I said, I got it in a size 8 and it was £15. Next, I'm going to show you like a jumper kind of thing I got. I mean, it's kind of a jumper and it's also kind of like a long sleeve top. Just because it's got a thick material, I would count it more as a jumper. But again, surprise surprise, it's from Pink Soda. It has Pink Soda Sport written on the front in white. It also has the little logo similar to, basically actually the exact same as the one on the t-shirt that I just shown. It just says Pink Soda Sport and that's on the back. On the front it has a little tie up, which is very cute, and this is cropped. It's long sleeve, the sleeves are cuffed, which I quite like that, and it's the same around the neck. It has that like ribbed design, which is very nice. As this is black, it'll go with basically everything, and I have worn this to the gym already. I wouldn't recommend wearing something like this, like I said, if you're going to do excuse me, if you're going to go and do like a hardcore workout, because I wore this to a body pump class. Now if you've ever been to body pump before, I think that's like my favourite fitness class to go to. You just work your whole body, and yeah, I was like, I am never wearing this jumper again to this class, because it is a thick material, and yeah, I was sweating like there was no tomorrow. So yeah, I would wear this if you know you're gonna go and do a workout but you're not gonna go like crazy or anything. And again, this was £15 and I got it in a size 8 and it fits really, really nicely. Next, I got another long sleeve item of clothing. This is from Adidas, can you tell? So yeah, this is from Adidas. It has the logo on the front, as you can see, and it has the logos down in the sleeves, which I just really, really thought that design was cool. This is also cropped. I really quite like cropped things to the gym, even though I'm not confident, you know, just strut about in my sports bra and my leggings. You know, I'm confident enough to show a little bit of belly. I don't mind that. So yeah, I've been really liking wearing some cropped stuff to the gym. And the material of this isn't too thick, so it's very nice to wear. It's comfortable. I got this in a size 8. And like I said, with the other black items, you can wear this with pretty much anything because it is black, and I just love that. Sometimes to the gym I am not matchy. I'm not one of those girls that wear, like, you know, matchy things. So that's why I like wearing black sometimes, because black things go with anything. Like black and white, they go with pretty much any items of clothing. Although I'm not very good with white, so I don't wear white, I just stain it. So yeah, black tops, you can wear any sort of leggings, which I like doing. And yeah, really, really nice top. This was £15 if I didn't say so already. I've got 2 more pairs of leggings to show you. These ones are from Pink Soda and they are black. Again, they have the pink soda around the waistband on the elastic part, and they are black. They're like a cotton material. I feel like if you sweated really, really hard, you could probably see it even though they're black. It's just that kind of material. They have a mesh kind of cut out, which I like. It's a nice design. And they also have Pink Soda. You'll see this so much better in the clip that I insert, but they have Pink Soda written on the left leg, is it? Yeah, the left leg. And I just really, really like the design of these leggings. The mesh design is just adds to it, so they're not like plain black leggings, you know. And these were £15. I got them in a size 8 and they fit really, really nicely. And like I said, black goes with anything, so I can wear like any colour top with these and I am good to go. Okay, so I'm saving the best till last. These are my favourite leggings at the moment, and I haven't worn them to the gym yet, but I'm going tonight to another body pump class and I think I'm just going to wear them to that because I just absolutely love them so much. So much so that I'm normally an 8 and I got them at a 10 because I just had to have them. So they are a little bit big, but nothing too drastic. Hopefully you can't tell too much when I wear them. But yeah, these are another pair of leggings from Pink Soda. They were only £10, so I mean, I couldn't say no. They have Pink Soda written on the back waist bit this time, so it's like plain at the front because it kind of crosses over, if you can see, and then Pink Soda at the back. It's just a beautiful shade of burgundy. I love it. And it has the Pink Soda heart in the rubbery design, like they basically have on most of the leggings, in white there, just on the thigh area or above the knee, I can't really remember. You'll see it when I insert the clips. And my favourite part of these leggings is the bottom. They have these kind of crossovers at the bottom on each leg and it just looks so cool. I can't believe these leggings were £10. Like, I would have paid a lot more for them, but £10, I'll take that. But yeah, these are super duper comfy. Because they are a size 10, they are a little bit more roomy, but can't complain with that because I absolutely love them. Okay guys, so that is everything I'm going to show you in this gym clothing try on haul. As you can see, I did pick up quite a few fair things, but that's me. I am not buying any more gym stuff. I feel like I've got quite a lot of gym outfits now and I'm not going to go overboard, even though I have got my eye on a few pairs of Gymshark leggings, but I'm trying not to order them because, as you can see, I did spend quite a lot of money recently, so yeah, I think I'm going to go in a little bit of a spending ban now. Please let me know if you'd like to see any more like fitness related videos, like even cooking videos. I really, really want to start doing those, even though my kitchen's not the best, but hey, we'll work with what we've got. I really fancy doing cooking videos, like more fitness videos. I wish I had the confidence to film in the gym. I would love to do like fitness videos, but you never know. Maybe in the future I'll find a gym where I can film in, But yeah, let me know if there are any fitness videos you'd like to see. I'm not an expert, but I do feel like my knowledge on the gym and eating and stuff is getting very, well, not very good, but it's a lot better than what it used to be, let me tell you that. So anyway, I'm going to end this video here. I really hope you enjoyed it. If there are any other videos you'd like to see me post on my YouTube, then please do let me know, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!